Hi beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl igboticnono. Please, if you're new to this channel, please, you know what to do already. If you're an OG, thank you so much, I appreciate. Please, I don't want to give this video a like as well, so because when you give it a like, YouTube recommends it to a wider range of people, and I really appreciate it as well. Thank you. Without further ado, let's dive into this video. I have my notes here, okay? I might be looking into my notes from time to time. Please bear with me. So here is just a very short video that I see that it's very necessary, but it's been overlooked. Yes, it's very necessary, but it's been overlooked. It's like reactions, action reactions, like action reactions phrases in Igbo language, phrases, uses, expressions in Igbo language. Yes, just a very simple and direct video today. Like a word, a phrase word, and the meaning. But it's very important because it's what we use mostly, it's what we do mostly, but we overlook it. And I see that because you're trying to learn Igbo language, there are basics that are important to learn, and this is also a basic and it's very important to learn. Like nri is eat, nri, eat, nri, anam eri nri, anam eri nri, anam eri nri. You can also say nna eri nri plus you add the things you want to add. Okay, let me just say it. Nna eri nri abali, nna eri nri ehihie, nna eri nri ụtụtụ. Basically means I am eating morning food, I am eating afternoon food, and I'm eating dinner, night food. Nna eri nri ụtụtụ, I am eating morning food. Nna eri nri ehihie, I am eating afternoon food. Nna eri nri abali, I am eating night food. Do you understand? Nri is food. Eat. Nna eri, eat. Nna eri, nri is food. Okay? And also drink, ịṅụ, drink, ịṅụ, drink, ịṅụ. Like when you're drinking, when you want to drink something, you don't know what you want to drink. It could be juice, it could be soda, it could be water. So long you're putting it into the cup and you're going this way, ịṅụ, ịṅụ. Yes, and you can say na aṅụ. You add the things you want to add. This is why I say this video is important. Na aṅụ plus the things you want to add. Example, nna aṅụ mmanya. I am drinking beer, star, soda. Nna aṅụ ọgwụ. I am taking medicine. I am having my medications. I'm taking medicine. Nna aṅụ ọgwụ. Nna aṅụ mmiri. Nna aṅụ mmiri. I am drinking water. I am drinking water. So to drink is ịṅụ. Nna aṅụ is I am drinking. Do you understand? If you have watched my video, which I'm going to show you here, pronouns in Igbo language, you will understand when I say first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and third person pronoun. Nna aṅụ mmiri is first person pronoun. I, nna aṅụ mmiri. I am drinking water. First person pronoun. I'll leave the link in the description or in the comment section so you can watch it. I also put up that video because it's very important as a beginner learning Igbo language to know how to use myself, them, their, we, us, and some other places and some other things to identify. That is why I did that video as well. The link will be in the comment section. Let's go further. Chew, eta. Chew, eta. To chew is to eta. You know, Igbo is very funny in a way because that thing you're doing in English, in Igbo, it kind of means a different thing. Like in English, you will say, in English, when you're taking things like cornflakes or you're taking things like golden morn, you say you're drinking. In Igbo, we say we're eating. Nna, eta. We're eating those things, do you understand? So chew is eta. Chew, eta. You say nna ata. You add the things you want to add. Nna ata achicha. I am eating bread. Nna ata achicha. I am eating bread. Nna ata anu. I am eating meat. Nna ata anu. I am eating meat. Do you understand? Yes. And the next one here is leak. Ira. Ira. Leak. Nna ara. Ice cream. Nna ara. Miliala. Do you understand? Nna ala plus what you want to add. Do you understand? And the next one here, which is the last, is to taste. Nde. Idetonu. Nde. Nde. You want to taste your food. Nna ede nrim. I'm testing my food. Nna ede nna esi. I'm testing my food. Nna ede mmanya. I'm testing the drink. Nna ede mmiri. I'm testing the water to know if it's clean or not. Nna ede. So guys, thank you for watching. This is basically has brought us to the end of this video. This is very 101 basic, and it's important to know because these things I mentioned, you do it every day in daily life. You eat, you chew, you taste, and you lick. So there's no way you don't do these things I said every day. So if you start there to start practicing the Igbo language, you should do a lot of good. Guys, if you've not liked this video, subscribe at this point. Please try to do so. Consider doing so. I appreciate you so much because when you like this video, it reaches a wide range of people. On this channel, I drop video every day on this channel. If you check my channel, you see that for the past 1 month and plus now, I do video every blessed day, and I also drop it on this channel every blessed day. So if you're keen to learn Igbo, I think this is the best channel for you. Please share as well so people can also come and join this community. And I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.